Do you know which seasonings are used most often in Chinese home cooking? Today, we're using a simple cold tofu dish to introduce 4 of our favorites: soy sauce, Chinese black vinegar, oyster sauce, and sesame oil. Soy sauce is probably the seasoning we use most often. It is made mainly from fermented soybeans. It makes food salty but also adds umami and extra depth. We use it in stir-fries, marinades, soups, cold dishes, and dipping sauces. Chinese black vinegar is dark in color but has a much lighter consistency than balsamic vinegar. It has a mellow sourness and a deep fermented aroma. Just a small amount can make a dressing's taste brighter and more balanced. It is often used in cold dishes and sweet and sour sauces. Oyster sauce is thick, savoury, and slightly sweet. It works particularly well with vegetables, tofu, and other mild ingredients. It is also great in stir-fries and sauces. You only need a little to boost the flavour. The sesame oil used in Chinese cooking is usually toasted, which gives it a rich, nutty aroma. We often add it to cold dishes, soups, noodles, and dipping sauces. It is usually added near the end. It has a very distinctive aroma, so you only need a small amount. Now let's put them together in a simple cold tofu dish. First, finely slice the spring onion. Next, let's make the dressing. Mix 1 tablespoon of Chinese black vinegar with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Then add 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce for extra savory flavor and a touch of sweetness. Finish with 1 teaspoon of sesame oil for a warm, nutty aroma. Mix everything well, making sure the thick oyster sauce is fully combined. Add the spring onion, and the dressing is ready. Cut the tofu into pieces of your preferred size so the dressing can coat it even more evenly. Then pour the dressing over the top and let it sit under the tofu. There you go, a dish done! A light and flavorful cold tofu dish with no cooking required. You can also use this dressing for cucumber, noodles, or other mild ingredients. Thanks for watching!